Hey guys, today I'm going to do the unboxing of Huawei Y9 2019, which is recently launched after Huawei Y9 2018. The box looked quite decent. The brief specifications are ROM 64 GB, RAM 4 GB. The color of this phone is midnight black. The, the box is quite decent and I will show the unboxing. Here comes the phone. Let's keep aside and see what's in the box. The SIM ejector tool, and here comes the silicone case and a screen protector which company is providing with you free. And here comes the micro USB wire. Still Huawei is providing micro USB wire still in 2019. Let's see the charge rating of the charger. It supports 5 ampere, 5 volts and 2 ampere, and the headphones are casual hand frees. Let's keep this stuff aside and look at the build quality of the phone. The build quality of phone is quite nice. Its build quality is made of plastic, micro USB slot, 3.5 mm headphone jack, speaker holes, and there are two dual cameras on the front and the speaker grill. Power button, let's power on the phone. And look at the back side. AI camera, 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel flashlight, fingerprint sensor. This phone is of midnight black color. Let's see the phone. Let's see the Android version of this smartphone. The phone is coming with Android 8.1 Oreo, as you can see, with the internal storage free of 52.89 GB out of 64 GB, RAM of 4 GB. Let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. Wow, the speed of fingerprint scanner is quite nice. Let's see the camera result. The picture result is quite nice. The front camera is also nice. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. Hope. Thanks.